Welcome to another episode of Odd Rob. So what am I doing here today? Well, if it's any clue, I'm down here near Venice, Florida, and I'm on Caspersen Beach, and I have a sifter. I have my water. I have everything I need, hopefully. And stick around. Find out what I'm doing down here. Here I am hanging out down here at Caspersen Beach again. And yeah, I'm going to be looking for shark's teeth today. I've got my water, I got my backpack. So I've never done this before, so I have no idea what to expect. I was told that you get a sifter. Best time to do it is around low tide. It's about 10:30 right now in the morning. Low tide is supposed to be at 1 o'clock. So I've got a little bit of time to do this, and just gonna finish getting my sunscreen on, and then I'm gonna go in. You can see where some of the people are actually looking for the shark's teeth. Right about where they are, about mid-shin, a little lower than the knee. That's a good place to start looking for these guys. Oh, the best time is low tide, and they say the best time is low tide right after a big storm. We had a storm, but it's been about a week. All right, let's see what I can do, and maybe we can find something. So, going along, I just found my very first shark's tooth, and it's right there. Look at that. That's so cool. By the way, I was able to get this sifter right in a CVS. It was 28 bucks. I got another floating sifter. I think I prefer using this one, but you want something with no more than like a 1/4 inch mesh. I was just looking again, and I came across another shark's tooth. It's right here. I didn't know if you could see it. Time to put it in my jar. If you can see it, but I got a manatee rib bone, small one, and I got, I don't know, maybe 8 or 9 shark's teeth in there so far. Been out for about a half hour. I don't know how much longer we're gonna be able to stay out with all this sun. I'm just not used to this sun. One of the things that they say to do is go in between the rocks, because if the shark's teeth and stuff get caught. I've been having people come around and talk to me about best ways to do this. Had a guy who found half a megalodon tooth. I was so jealous. He didn't want to be on camera, but that's all right. Found a real old one. I'll show it to you guys later on. Oh, I'll be doggone. Wow, look at this one. That's a little meg. Wow. You can see the bottom. This is old. Well, everybody, that was a lot of fun. I've been out here for maybe an hour and a half. Oh, I'm not used to this sun. So very, very hot. And I'm gonna go grab some water, get in the AC, see if I wanna come out in a little bit.
Stay on!
Yeah! Keep in mind, there's no shade down here at Caspersen Beach. They do have little boardwalks you can get underneath. I don't like getting underneath them because sand fleas and stuff have a tendency to live under there in the cool. Another good place I was told to go is Venice Fishing Pier. I haven't been there yet. I feel up to it, maybe I'll go later. I don't think I mentioned it, but make sure you look for the black sand. And usually where the black sand is, not too far away from there, is where you find the shark's teeth. So I'm gonna probably go back and just try and have these identified. I'll lay them all out and show you in a bit. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. It certainly helps the channel grow. While you're down there, leave some feedback, drop a comment, let me know what you found down here, maybe a picture or two. I'd love to find out. If you have any other suggestions, let me know. Maybe when I come down next time, I'll include them and give you credit for it. Until next time, stay safe, stay well. By all means, you know it. Stay on. Oh yeah.